All right, so you can see the larger rectangular piece goes in the middle of the package tray, and then the ends with the little 45 chamfer, those go on the outside towards the back. So there's plenty of room. It's not a real tight fit. My name's Wayne and welcome back to the channel. So over the winter, I've been working on the interior of my 1970 Cuda, and we're back at it today. And ever since installing the Dynamat on my doors, I've wondered where else could I put their product, because I was really impressed with it. And you know, I really want to try to make the interior as quiet and as rattle-free as I possibly can. So after looking at their website, they also have a kit for the rear package tray. And they also sent me some product that I can put on the trunk divider in between the back seat and the trunk. So I think that'll really help quiet it down. I know they have kits for the roof of the car, but my headliner is in pretty decent shape and I'm not gonna do that right now. So I'm gonna leave the roof alone. Probably one of their most popular kits is on the floor of the car, but when I did my carpeting, this is Legendary carpet. It has the thicker rubber backing on it, which is kind of designed for extra insulation. So I don't know how effective it would be since I already have the thicker carpet, so with that rubber backing. So I'm not gonna put it on the floor. So the parts just came in, they're down in my workshop. So let's go open them up and take a look. So we have a few packages here from Dynamat. So let's open up and see what we got. Alright, so this is the lightest box of them all. So I'm guessing, oh, very cool. We got a hat. And we got another roller. And a t-shirt that is just my size. Sweet. I love merch. You know, we all love some product merchandise. Thanks, Dynamat. Oh, it looks pretty good, I think. Just my size. Check out the cool logo on the back in gold print. I like it. So we'll put our roller off to the side. So maybe you're wondering, why did I get a door kit? Well, after talking to them and telling them how I want to put something on the trunk divider, they recommended this, and this is what they sent. They said, hey, give this a try and let us know if it works for you. So I'm going to give this a shot, and I think it'll just be perfect because I don't need anything custom fit. It's a big rectangle. It should be real easy to apply the material. That way I can just insulate, you know, the interior of the car from the trunk and get rid of some of that extra noise and vibration. So that'll be cool. This is their Extreme custom kit. So this is going to be for their package tray. And I'll put links to the products in the description of the video so you can check those out. Again, you know, their stuff is packaged really well. I mean, there is no chance of this stuff getting damaged in shipping, but there you go. All right. They even have a diagram of how the panels are going to lay out on the package tray. So makes it real clear and simple. They do a great job with all the instructions. And now before we go and take this kit out into the garage, what I'm going to do is take my scissors and cut each of these three pieces out respectively. That way it's a lot easier to lay out and the package tray, and you can see how it all lines up. So today's Hot Rod Trivia question of the week is, so in 1970, what was the highest horsepower vehicle that you could buy? Think you know the answer? Stick around to the end of the video and I'll let you know. So I already gave the package tray a good vacuuming because it was pretty dusty and dirty, but now I want to give it a quick wipe down with the wax and grease remover. That way the Dynamat has a good clean surface to stick to. All right, so you can see the larger rectangular piece goes in the middle of the package tray, and then the ends with the little 45 chamfer, those go on the outside towards the back. So there's plenty of room. It's not a real tight fit in between the gaps and the edges of like the headliner, so I don't have to worry about that. So what we're gonna do is put the middle one in first while the edges are just resting up here. That way I have it like centered and give myself plenty of room, and roll it on. So I was trying to figure out how to get a good camera angle while I'm putting the Dynamat on the package tray while I'm putting my brand new hat to good use. It's going to slightly obstruct my vision, but hey, these are the things I do. All right, so I have the center piece put in, rolled it flat. It came with this nice foam roller, and that's working really well. So I have it all centered off the edges here, and now we're gonna do the ends. All right, first we're gonna peel off the backing here. And try to get it all, whoops. Trying to get it. All right, I think, sorry for the bouncing around there. I'm trying to hold it steady and, all right, I just wanna make sure we're all good. I think that's pretty good. Like I said, we'll come back later and trim out those speaker holes. Maybe I'll do it today. We'll see how much time I have. But oh yeah, that's big difference already. I'm just amazed really how this product really quiets and dampens things down. Cannot wait to get it on the road and really drive the car again with the product installed and see how much quieter it is. So many changes this winter. It's good stuff. All right. I'm not going to worry about trying to push it down into all those little grooves. I mean, I don't know. There's a lot of grooves in this package tray, but I just want to give it nice and flat so the speaker grill package tray, that piece will lay flat, right? I don't want any high spots if more than anything. So, all right. Good. All right. All right, let's do the driver's side now. Well, I figured I'm already in here and I have enough time today. I think I will just cut out the speaker holes. So I've just got a fresh blade. I mean, it cuts pretty good. It's not bad. Just, man, watch your fingers, and really makes me appreciate their custom kits. That's for sure. It makes it a lot easier. But cutting a speaker hole, no big deal. Not a problem. Like I said, I got a little cleanup to do. All right, so everything's all done on the package tray. Speaker holes are cut out and it's looking fantastic. Let's go down and look at the trunk divider and see where we can put Dynamat on that. So I had the idea when I was talking to Dynamat of put something in between the trunk and the back seat. So we have the trunk divider, and this is my replacement one, and it already has a jute backing on it. But I thought maybe on this side we could add some Dynamat. It might be completely redundant. I don't know how well it would even work because it's not going on a metal product, but you know, they sent me a little kit to try. Now this one is, they say it's a door kit, but it's basically large sheets. So let's open it up, take a look, and see what we can figure out. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is take one of these large sheets and line it up with the bottom edge. And then before I peel it off, the backing, so I'll use my marker to trim out this cutout for the tunnel. And yeah. All right. So there was that, and we're gonna go a little big. No reason to cut it real close here. Stuff cuts real easy. It's easy to work with. I like it. No problems at all. Put that off to the side. All right, and got our roller handy. Okay. And let's get rid of this. Won't need that mess. Close to the edge. All right, now I'm gonna roll all this out. Again, you know, I figured this would be better than just having the factory divider on there with the jute backing, so why not? They're like, hey, give it a try and let us know what you think. See if it works for you. So that was pretty cool. Just trying to quiet the car up, make it more enjoyable. Get rid of some of those vibrations and as much of the road noise as we possibly can. Okay, I mean that's on there pretty good. And it's not really going anywhere. All right, so now cut out the next piece. Just gonna make a mark there, and up here I'll mark it. And then try to use a straight edge. All right, there we go. We have our two edges and our curve. We'll trim that out. Now I know it's a crude straight edge, but that's what I have right now. All right. And we'll cut just inside of that. Get this out of the way. See how it lays up. Ooh, we have a couple slots there, don't we? Cut those out, no problem. Okay, I think I'm gonna stick this down and then come back maybe with a knife and try to cut those out. Maybe the easiest way, unless I want to cut a big rectangle. And maybe I'll do that now. I think I'm just gonna cut a big hole there. That should work. All right. So this is my leftover piece. I think I'm going to make a few strips and fill it in here so I can have as little waste as possible. Probably will fill it in this way and then try to run a solid strip across there. All right. First. We'll come back and view. Edge. Come just inside, so we're not hanging off the edge. That should fit just as such, as it does. Nice. Okay. We're gonna get our length cut again. Just using the old eyeball method here. Get this out of the way. Jeez, whose messy workplace is this? Okay, now we're going to make another cut, another mark up here. Pick this up and carefully make a mark here. Alright, I should have my points. Alright, make another edge. Should be done drawing on myself now. And let's cut our arc out. Just cut inside of those lines so we can try to minimize and not have any hangover. Looking good, a little tight up here maybe. That should work. All right, now we got to figure out where our next hole is going to be again. Custom. All right, I like it. I like it. Oh, geez. All right. Good. Thank you. That's nice. Well, I think that came out pretty slick actually. I like it. Let's go test it out and see how it fits in the car. All right, so on the inside, you can't even tell obviously, right? Because the Dynamat is on the opposite side, the black side. I guess I could flip it around, but I really don't want the jute on the trunk side. And it's supposed to be facing the interior. I don't see any issues. It's a little thicker, so it sticks out, and this gap is closed up a little bit, but I don't think we'll have any issues. We'll see when we try to put the rear seat back in. If we do, I can always make some little modifications if I need to. So this is obviously where you're going to see the Dynamat from inside the trunk, and that looks pretty cool. Yeah, nice tight fit, no issues, and I think it looks great. So the answer to the trivia question is, in 1970, the highest horsepower rated vehicle was the Chevelle LS6 454, rated at 450 horsepower. You know, I'm really happy with this product. Again, I was really impressed with their door kit, and now their package tray and their little custom trunk divider I did. I'm real happy with it. So I think it's going to give me exactly what I'm looking for to quiet the car down while I'm driving it and enjoy it even more. So that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And if you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And if you turn the bell notification, you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.